Okay, what the heck is Charlie doing right now? Ow, my knee. Look at Charlie.
Honey, did Mom say you can?
Yes.
I'm cameraman. You get it? Just don't give her the bone. It's super easy. Just like, make her jump up. This is Charlie. She's 1 year old. She's a little puppy. She's adorable. She runs really fast. There they are over there playing. Come on! Are you having fun with Charlie?
Yeah.
You kind of have to get close to her. This is amusing. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. Oh, pretty cool.